Hey, welcome to the Midships YouTube channel. I'm your Captain Corey, and I'm breaking in out of schedule. This is going to be an extra video today. It's a very short one, so make sure you watch all of it. It's very important if you're planning on doing a self-test at home for your next cruise. Now, before we get started to today's video, I want to do a quick little trivia question, and I'd like for you to comment down below what you think the answer is. I'll reveal it at the end of the video, but today's trivia question is, which planet in our solar system has the shortest day? So today's video is going to be quick, and it's going to be all about these Abbott BinaxNOW home testing kits. And now I want you to pay attention to something here. I mentioned it the other day. See here, RX only. This is the only kit the cruise lines are accepting. If it doesn't say RX only, it's not getting you on the ship. Now, my big concern here with my kits that I received 2 days ago is right here. I don't know if you can see it, but 2021-10-5. That's my expiration date for this kit. Now that means I have only 3 weeks to use this test kit from when I received it. And of course, I didn't just buy one, I bought a multi-pack of these kits, hoping to use them across multiple cruises over the next 2 to 3 months. And so obviously such a short expiry window poses quite a big problem. And I know from comments on other videos, other cruisers are seeing the same issue with their test kits. Now I want to show you the website that I ordered this kit from so you can get an idea of when I expected it to expire. So this is Royal Caribbean International's website that is hosted through the Optum store. And I just want to call your attention to this little blue highlighted area. Due to a nationwide testing supply shortage, the test you receive may expire by December 15th of 2021. Now, obviously, December 15th, 2021 is a huge difference between October 5th of 2021. So I went ahead and called into the Optum store this morning and spoke with a wonderful representative, and she gave me the 411 on what's going on with these kits. And basically what's going on here and what the representative informed me was the cruise lines aren't actually paying attention necessarily to the expiration dates on the kits. All the cruise lines are concerned about is that they're receiving a valid test and the result is accurate and it was verified by a telehealth medical professional. And so good news, this Emed kit is actually currently extended 3 months out past the expiration date printed on the box. So that means for my test, it's good through January 5th of 2022 that I will be able to log into the Navica app and get test results off of these kits. So great news if you have an expiration date and your test is going to be administered on the Navica app. So if you'd like to know where to find your expiration date on your test kit, you may have to slide this little piece of paper over. I've obviously taped over information that may be used to take this test kit away from me on YouTube. But right here, you see this little hourglass symbol. To the right of that, it says 2021-10-5. That is where you find your expiration date for this kit. Go ahead and add 3 months to that. And that is how long this test kit is good, according to Optum customer service, that Emed and the Navica app will allow you to test with these kits. So that's really great news to everybody who was concerned that their test kit was going to expire a little bit early. So the planet with the shortest day in our solar system is Jupiter, and the average day on Jupiter is 9.9 hours long. If you guys like the idea of doing a daily trivia question in all of our Midships episodes, why don't you hit the thumbs up button? That'll let me know I'm on the right track. And if you don't like it, go ahead and hit the thumbs down. Again, this channel is all about you guys, and I want you to be a part of the directions that we go here on the Midships channel. Now, this is not today's video. It's just a quick update. So that's going to do it for this quick episode of Midships. Tune in later today around 5 p.m. for our main episode to be dropped on the channel. If you made it this far, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And until next time, we'll see you at the Midships.